Welcome back to Process Insight, where we take you deep inside the world of modern food production and industrial agriculture, uncovering the hidden journeys behind the foods we love most. And today we're exploring a truly fascinating story that spans farms, factories, and cutting-edge technology, starting with one irresistible question: can anyone really resist a sausage sitting on their plate? Because from the first bite to the last, sausages have become a global favorite, and every year more than 12 million tons are produced worldwide through a remarkable blend of advanced machinery and traditional recipes perfected over generations. And it all begins far away from the factory floor, on carefully managed farms where pigs are raised with expertise, attention, and welfare in mind, because healthier and less stressed animals produce better quality meat, which is why modern farms invest heavily in clean living spaces, balanced nutrition, temperature-controlled barns, regular health monitoring, and even enrichment activities designed to keep animals calm and comfortable, allowing piglets that begin life weighing just over a kilogram to grow steadily over several months into full-grown animals weighing well over 100 kilograms, while selective breeding programs supported by modern genetic tools ensure that only the strongest and healthiest animals are chosen to maintain the quality of future generations. And when the time comes for transport, everything is carefully planned, from light fasting periods that ensure safe travel to specially designed livestock trucks equipped with ventilation, temperature regulation, and anti-crowding systems that minimize stress during the journey, to the processing facility where the next phase begins under strict hygiene and welfare standards, as animals are first allowed to rest in clean holding areas with misting and airflow systems to stabilize their condition, before humane stunning methods are applied, most commonly carbon dioxide stunning in modern plants, which ensures the animals lose consciousness quickly and without pain, followed by precise processing steps carried out on automated lines where efficiency, safety, and cleanliness are paramount, including bleeding, dehairing using controlled hot water baths and mechanical rollers, flame sterilization, and evisceration performed by robotic systems capable of making exact incisions without damaging surrounding tissue. After which the carcasses are split, inspected, and guided through laser-assisted cutting machines that separate lean meat, fat, and bone with extraordinary accuracy, processing hundreds of animals per hour while minimizing waste. And once approved, premium cuts are transferred to cold storage under carefully regulated temperatures to preserve freshness until the transformation into sausages begins, marking the point where culinary craftsmanship meets industrial precision, as selected lean meat and hand-trimmed fat are ground through multi-stage industrial grinders that maintain texture while achieving uniform consistency, followed by vacuum mixing systems that evenly distribute spices, seasonings, binders, and natural flavor enhancers, ensuring every bite tastes exactly as intended, with ingredients such as salt, pepper, sugar, emulsifiers, preservatives, and even egg yolks added to enhance richness and binding, all blended under controlled temperatures to preserve quality before the mixture is transferred to stuffing machines that fill natural or artificial casings under stable pressure to prevent air pockets, while automated twisting systems portion sausages with perfect uniformity, although premium lines may still rely on skilled butchers using traditional hand-twisting techniques to achieve artisanal quality. After which sausages are cooked through steaming or smoking depending on the recipe, with smoking chambers using natural hardwood smoke to develop deep color and signature aroma, followed by rapid cooling, drying, inspection, and robotic packaging systems capable of preparing hundreds of packs per minute, ensuring consistency before products enter cold storage and global distribution networks. But Process Insight doesn't stop there, because modern food production extends far beyond meat, and dairy farming offers another extraordinary example of how animal welfare, science, and technology intersect, as calm, well-fed cows grazing on nutrient-rich pastures produce higher quality milk, which is why farmers carefully manage feed, environment, and breeding cycles to ensure consistent production, guiding cows into modern milking parlors where automated
automated systems gently extract milk while minimizing stress, collecting tens of thousands of liters daily on large farms, with milk immediately cooled, tested, and transported to processing plants where it undergoes rigorous quality control before being separated into cream and skim milk using high-speed centrifuges, with cream becoming the foundation for butter production through pasteurization and controlled churning processes that transform liquid cream into soft butter granules while separating buttermilk, followed by washing, kneading, and molding into sticks, blocks, or bulk formats, all packaged under sterile conditions to preserve freshness before worldwide distribution, while skim milk continues its own journey into packaged dairy products. And Process Insight also reveals the story of mustard, a staple condiment whose journey begins in golden fields harvested by powerful combine machines, capable of processing vast areas efficiently, separating seeds from stalks through threshing, screening, and gravity separation systems before transporting them to processing plants, where they are cleaned, ground, mixed with water, vinegar, spices, and sometimes turmeric, fermented, filtered, and refined using both traditional stone milling techniques and modern centrifugal systems to preserve flavor and texture, before being bottled, labeled, inspected, and shipped globally, standing as both a culinary icon and a testament to agricultural precision. And the journey continues into pumpkin farming, where vast fields transform into seas of bright orange during harvest season, as specialized machines gently collect, clean, sort, and pack pumpkins for food, decoration, and seed production, with pumpkin seeds undergoing additional processing stages, including cleaning, optical sorting, drying, oil extraction, and packaging, ensuring nothing goes to waste while supporting sustainable farming practices and circular economies. And from pig farms to dairy barns, sausage factories to butter churns, mustard mills to pumpkin fields, Process Insight reveals a world where tradition, innovation, animal welfare, and engineering combine to feed millions every day, reminding us that behind every familiar product lies a complex, carefully managed system designed to deliver quality, safety, and flavor on a global scale. And as we continue exploring these incredible journeys, we invite you to look beyond the supermarket shelf and appreciate the science, skill, and dedication that make modern food production possible.